Welcome back to my Minute Channel 1. Today, I'm going to show you some really cool kitchen tips that you may have never thought of. Let's start with the first one. This is a really cool one. Have you ever thought about storing your fruits and veggies in your fridge upside down? So, if you have like bell peppers or broccoli or cauliflower, store them upside down? The reason why you want to store them upside down is because the water that collects at the bottom of these vegetables, because we all know vegetables are like 90% water, will actually drain out of the vegetable, and it will keep them fresher for a lot longer. Tip No. 2. Never use rubber gloves when you're washing your dishes. Rubber absorbs water, and over time that bacteria can grow, and then you just spreading that around your kitchen. Instead, use these. These are my favorite. They're by Scrub Daddy. They make your hands feel so soft and so nice. And they're good for the environment too. Tip No. 3. When you're cooking with oil, did you know that you should actually put the lid on your pan? The reason why you want to put the lid on is because the steam will help the oil and the food cook together, and it'll cook the food more evenly. Tip No. 4. Do you have any sort of like sticky grease on the bottom of your pots and pans? Here's what you do. You take baking soda, you make a paste with a little bit of water. And then you just rub the bottom of the pot or pan with that paste and then wash as usual. Tip No. 5. When you're making scrambled eggs, the reason why you want to use a non-stick pan is because the eggs will cook more evenly. However, if you have a really old non-stick pan, sometimes that can be a little dangerous. So what you can do is you can put a little bit of butter or oil in the pan, and then your eggs will cook more evenly, and it won't unstick. Tip number 6. This one's a pretty common one. But you want to save this for when you're re-hosting Thanksgiving and you're remaking a big old turkey. If you want your turkey to be moist and delicious, you've got to put some sort of fat or oil on the turkey before you put it in the oven. Now, the reason why you want to do this is because the skin of the turkey will act as a barrier to keep the moisture in. Tip No. 7. When you're re-chopping up vegetables and you're having a hard time keeping them in place, what you can do is you can actually put a little bit of water in the bowl, just a little bit, and then put the lid on and then chop away. The water will help the vegetables stay in place while you're chopping them. Alright, my friend, those are some awesome kitchen tips. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and then click on this video on screen.